It's simple to stain acacia butcher block panels from Interbuild when you follow these directions. Your acacia butcher block panel top can now be prepared for the stain finish and final sealing application. The first step is to take a tack cloth and remove all surface dust and debris. Once the surface is clean, choose one of Interbuild's hard wax wood oil stain finishes and clear sealant, which are ideally suited for countertops. The finishes have a plant-based, food-safe formula that is entirely VOC-free. For the exposed end grains, apply a generous amount of oil so it can soak in. A rag works best to work around the corners and to get into all those cracks and crevices. Take your time and go slow. Make sure that you apply an even coat to all exposed edge surfaces first before you do the top. Pay particular attention to the inside of the bowl and cut-ins, since these surfaces all have exposed wood grain. The oil will penetrate a lot more, so use the oil generously. Now we can move on to staining the top. Working in 1 foot increments is recommended instead of trying to do the whole top at once. Apply the oil to your rag and work your way across the top. A heavy coat can be applied at this stage, making sure that you work in the same direction as the wood grain. Let it sit for about 20 minutes, which enables the oil to penetrate into the wood grain. After that, it can be wiped off. After 20 minutes, we can now wipe the excess oil off the top and edges. Working in the same direction as the wood grain, the goal is to achieve a uniform, smooth, consistent finish. After this is done, let the oil dry for 8 hours. For a darker stain, apply a second layer of oil and repeat the finishing process. Once the final stain finish is achieved, the next step is to apply 3 coats of sealant to all 6 sides, the top, edges, and the reverse side. That's what it takes to stain acacia butcher block panels from Interbuild.